What's going on, everybody? It's William with 4M Plumbing. We're here on another job site. What we're doing is we're doing a remodel, small remodel project for one of our clients, replacing a couple faucets, actually working on a shower that's all gutted. So I'm gonna actually show you inside what it's gonna look like from where we're at in the beginning stages of the project. So if you'd like to learn more, just come with me. Okay, so one thing I forgot, shoe booties. Want to always put shoe booties on, so let's put the shoe booties on first and then we'll head inside. Okay, so what we did is we replaced also here, this is the bathroom. It had existing chrome faucets, so the customer owner essentially wanted us to swap out for new faucets. This is a double sink or Jack and Jill sink. So this is the new faucet we actually replaced. So now next we're going to do is just one more thing, which is going to be replace this whole entire shower valve. It's actually going to be the same model. It's going to be a Danbury model. This is gonna, the old valve is gonna come out, the new valve is gonna go back in, the solder fitting together, so test the leaks. Look at it, and what we're actually going to show you is that the new fountain that we got, the new faucet we put in. Now this is a kitchen faucet, it's a Delta brand, it's got a pull-out spring. So all we really did was just replace the existing faucet with the new one. So with this new Delta, it's a single handle faucet, so very smooth as far as turning off and on. Pull-out, like I said, pull-out spray. Now we did do the drains underneath as well, so we were able to work or replace this P-trap. Now this P-trap, really what it does, this P-trap is going to help in trapping in sewer gases. So you have a pocket of water that sits right in the bottom, and it's going to trap water and consistently hold the water, so no gases are going to actually come off the P-trap, and it's going to come up and you're going to smell that sewer gas. So really good purpose for this P-trap.